If Google is your only search engine, you're barely scratching the surface of what's out there. When it comes to the deep web, traditional search engines don't get the job done. They index only a small fraction of the public internet and ignore anything behind logins, paywalls, or non-standard protocols. That's why, if you want to explore the deep web properly, you need to use alternative search engines built for the job. Let's break down some of the most powerful ones and what makes them different. One, DuckDuckGo. You've probably heard of this one. DuckDuckGo doesn't track you, and it doesn't filter your results based on personal history. But more importantly, it can access some content that Google simply ignores, including parts of the deep web. It's also the default search engine in the Tor browser, which means it's built with privacy in mind. While it still focuses on surface web results, it gives you a better baseline for anonymous searching. 2, Aumia. Aumia is a search engine specifically designed for onion sites, which means it's part of the dark web. It filters out illegal content, making it a safer starting point for ethical exploration. When you're using Tor and want to find something within the dark web, Aumia is one of the best tools available. It's open source, privacy-respecting, and regularly updated. 3, Torch. Torch is one of the oldest dark web search engines. It indexes thousands of onion pages and gives you a raw, unfiltered look at what's out there. But fair warning, it's not moderated. So while it can be useful for research or investigation, it's also filled with content you'll want to avoid unless you know what you're doing. This is a power tool, not for beginners. 4, Not Evil. Not Evil is a privacy-focused .onion search engine that operates similarly to Google, but for Tor. It doesn't track users and attempts to provide clean, fast results. It's a solid option if you're looking for something lightweight and focused strictly on dark web directories. 5, the www Virtual Library and Invisible Web Directory. These aren't search engines in the traditional sense, but they're incredibly valuable. The www Virtual Library is one of the oldest curated deep content collections, and the Invisible Web Directory is a searchable index of content not found on standard search engines. These tools are gold mines for academic research, obscure data, and niche directories. They won't bring you into the dark web, but they do let you reach far beyond Google's limits. 6, academic and specialized databases. Google Scholar is a good start, but consider engines like Base, Core, and WorldCat. These search databases of academic articles, open access research, government records, and global libraries. They're not flashy, but they're where the real information lives. And they're all part of the deep web. Now, a quick note on safety. Just because you're using these engines doesn't mean you're automatically anonymous or protected. Always use a privacy-focused browser. If you're exploring the dark web, route your traffic through Tor or a secure virtual machine. And never click blindly. Many results can lead to unsafe or even illegal content. The deep web isn't indexed the way we're used to, which means knowing how to search is an actual skill. These alternative engines aren't just cool tools. They're essential if you want to go beyond the surface and find what's truly hidden. In the next video, we'll show you how to navigate the deep web safely with step-by-step methods you can actually use. See you there.